Hi, welcome to my channel, guys. So, as discussed in my previous video, here I am with the second part of the DOL starter. So, during the discussion, I had told that a DOL starter has two parts. One is the power circuit, and the second is the control circuit. So, today I'll be explaining the power circuit. So, one thing I want to make it clear that please do not try this with proper knowledge of electrical systems, because the power circuit is more dangerous to handle. I would suggest that you accompany an electrician or electrical engineer to help you if you are trying this for the first time. Have a proper knowledge of using safety gadgets while working on this and be safe. Okay, so now if you see here, this is our three-phase power supply, RYB. What is this? This is 415 volt AC, three phase, 50 hertz. Since we are I am explaining this for the Indian audience, so we use 50 hertz. If we are in US, they use 60 hertz. So what is this 415? 415 means if you measure the power across the two terminals with the multimeter, you will give 415 hertz. So you should know that this DOL which I am recommending for three phase, it can be used only for three phase, not for single phase motors. This is for three phase motors. The motor should be rated for 415 or 400 or 380 volts. Okay, so yesterday I told you that now we want to supply this three phase supply to the motor. So now if we give it directly, what will happen is how do you stop the motor? Okay, so coming down here you have a MCB. Okay, so what is MCB? Miniature circuit breaker. The function of this is to isolate these three terminals. So when you switch off the MCB, it is a switch, you isolate the power to the motor. One thing, be careful, you should not never switch off a MCB while the motor is running. The reason being is that it's dangerous, because there can be a flash or anything which can lead to an electric shock. So to be safe, we always use the push buttons provided on the DOL starter, so that you are not coming in contact with the main power. Now you will be thinking that what is the function of MCB in that case? That I will be explaining in the later part of the video. So once you have the MCB, the second is the contactor. Contactor is equipment or is a element which connects the power circuit and the control circuit. It provides a mechanism or a link between the power and the control circuit. Okay, what happens is when you give a power to this coil, the coil get energizes and these three contacts get closed. Okay, after this, what is this? This is the OLR. What is OLR? OLR is overload relay. This also links the control circuit to the power circuit. It detects overcurrent to the motor, and for the safety of the motor and equipment, what it does is it switches off the motor. So that I will explain you in the control circuit exactly how it switches off. So this is our motor. Now you will be thinking, if I have a contactor to on off the power to the motor, why am I using MCB? Suppose you want to do some maintenance in the starter. So how you will isolate the power? You will be using MCB to isolate the power. So this is a power circuit. So hope you people have understood the functioning part of the power circuit. So in my next video